Don't worry guys, I'm not going to have that racket on all the time. Okay, the Hawkeye version 2 by Firefly, or Firefly Hawkeye version 2. My video is in 1080p, 60 frames per second, and all I've done from now on is put stabilize mode. I've stabilized it through my phone editor. Okay.
I never thought you'd be a junkie because heroin is so passe. But today, if you think that I don't know about depression and emotional pain, you're insane. Or you're a fool who hasn't paid attention to a word that I say. In a way, I can't help but feel responsible. I always knew that you were insane with your pain, but I never thought you'd be a junkie because heroin is so passe. Heroin is so passe. Heroin is so passe. So passe. Nowadays, you never thought you'd get addicted, just be cooler in an obvious way. I could say, shouldn't you have got a couple piercings and decided maybe that you were gay? In a way, I can't help but feel responsible. I always knew that you were insane with your pain, but I never thought you'd be a junkie because heroin is so passe. Heroin is so passe. Heroin is so passe.
Coming up in my next video, I do this diatone ROMA F1 with version 3.5 20 by 20 Mamba stack, 40 amp ESC, Speedy B TX800, Speedy B MMCX antenna, and also the FPV Micro 850 milliamp battery with Express LRS Maytech antenna, and it all bundled all close to each other, and I get 16 satellites, no interference, it's all good. Let's see how it is with the T800 and Speedy B stuff. Alright, take care. Please like and subscribe, because not only does it help you, hopefully, but it helps me. Cheers guys.